Hello students, so this is a question from EMT and from NET June 2025. So read the question carefully. There is a circular loop of radius A and this circular loop and this square loop both are carrying current I. So current I is flowing like this. And they have asked about torque exerted on the square loop this. So I have to calculate torque on this and by the circular loop this. So that means this will create a magnetic field and this is kept in the magnetic field of this square loop, this circular loop. So if I call the magnetic moment of this as M1 and this as M2, so our torque will be M2 cross, let's call the magnetic field by this as B1 cross B1, correct? So this is exact thing. And now please see, this is a small magnetic dipole. So magnetic field will be coming like this. If you imagine, it will come like this and it will be going like this, okay? So this is the magnetic field and you can see the direction also, magnetic field is minus z cap. Let us calculate the magnetic field first of all because of this circular loop. So magnetic field B due to this circular loop B1 will be mu naught by 4 pi r cube 2 cos theta r cap plus sin theta theta cap. So this is the formula for magnetic field due to a magnetic dipole. Now you can see this is the point where I want to calculate. So the value of theta is with the z axis, that value is 90. So this will become B1 is equal to mu naught, sin 90 is 1 by 4 and m is there, m1 in fact, mu naught m1 by 4 pi r cube sin 90 and theta cap is this is theta cap direction. So I will write it as minus z cap. Theta cap is, because I want Cartesian coordinate for my answer. So now torque will be equal to M2 means magnetic moment of this is I into B is the size, so it is IB square. Magnetic moment is NIA, number of turns is only 1. And what is the direction of the magnetic moment in this case? It is y cap and cross this mu naught by 4 pi r cube and M1 is pi a square I and minus z cap. So this torque is in direction minus x cap and mu naught by 4 pi r cube and pi a square b square and I square. So clearly you can see this is the answer. So very straightforward question on So I have always been saying that dipole is something very, very important, whether it is electric dipole or magnetic dipole, their torque, their energies. So you should remember all those formulas and application of those formulas. Thank you so much.